Welcome back to Home Lifestyle and Decor. Today I will show you 3 easy glass painting techniques to make your home lively with the bright colors. I've got 3 small pieces of glasses, so I'll use similar patterns on them to make a set. I'll use the printout to draw the figures. Once the outlines are done with the black glass outliner, need to remove the printout and add the background. For the first one, I have used golden glass paint outliner for the branches and leaves of the golden tree. For the second one, I'll use the printout to draw the outlines of the Eiffel Tower, the bench, lamppost and the figures. Once the outlines are all done, using the black glass paint outliner, need to remove the printout. We'll draw a tree and the branches and leaves to fill the blank space. For the third one, we'll use the printout for the figures. Once the outlines are done, we'll add the tree and a bridge in the background. To give the three paintings a similar look, I'll use this leftover fabric in shades of grey and green for the background. And the paintings are ready to add charm to your walls. If you loved the idea, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Please do subscribe to my channel for more such simple ideas. Thank you. Keep watching.